Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix app keep crashing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution you have was quit the crashed app and relaunch. If your iPhone keep crashing or freezing, we recommended first quieting the crashed application and then relaunch it. This is the easiest and quickest way to solve the issue. So then you have open the setting any app you have relaunch from. So then you have click on general, click on iPhone storage. So then you have click on any app. So then you have while use WhatsApp, offload and reinstall from here and then relaunch of your app. Then second solution you have restart your iPhone. If your iPhone app keep crashing after a launch, you can try restarting your iPhone to tell let all the system software start fresh. This can effectively eliminate any glitches that might reside in memory and cause the app so to crash. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Third solution, update crashed app. This method resolves the iPhone app crashing issue. Updating the crashed app to the latest version when apps on iPhone are out of date. Frequent app crashes are unavoidable, so it is recommended that you should always keep your apps up to date. The reason that updates often bring new feature and big fixes to the app to update the crashed app on iPhone. For example, you have a YouTube app is update available, so you must be updated your YouTube app on iPhone. Then fourth solution is reinstall the app that keep crashing, deleting and app removes through the app data or cache files, which can be main reason your iPhone keep crashing. To get this issue resolved, you can try deleting the app which crash frequently and reinstalling them from the app store. Any app you have delete the YouTube app and then you have reinstalled from app store. The last solution you have reset or setting on your iPhone. If your iPhone keep closing application even after the crashed app or can hopefully solve all the iPhone issues before programming or resetting on your iPhone, we strongly recommend up backing up your iPhone to save all the important data. When your iPhone is backed up, follows these steps below to resetting all your settings. So you have open the setting and then you have scroll up, then you have click on general again, scroll up, then you click on transparent reset, then you have reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Allah Hafiz.